morning, my dear students. Hope you all are keeping fine. Today, we are going to discuss the question answers of Chapter 1, Parts of Our Body. Learning outcome. Students will be able to self-evaluate their homework and develop a thorough knowledge of the lesson. Let us start the class. Students, I gave you a question as a homework. The question was, how does the brain know what we feel? The correct answer is, all sense organs are connected to the brain. Point number 2, they collect information from our surroundings and send it to the brain. Let us move on to the questions of your textbook backside exercise. Question 1. Tick the correct option. A. Which of the following are internal body parts? Options are lungs, brain, heart, all of these. The correct answer is all of these. B. Food is digested in the hand, feet, stomach, lungs. The correct answer is stomach. C. Which of the following is a sense organ? Head, belly, tongue, legs. The correct answer is tongue. D. Differently abled people may need to use sign language, braille script, Jaipur foot, all of these. The correct answer is all of these. E. In the old age, body becomes strong and fit, weak and frail, fit and fat, fat and strong. The correct answer is weak and frail. Question number 2. Name the sense organs used for the following. A. Listening to the chirping of birds. Answer is ears. B. Selecting a good perfume. Answer is nose. C. Tasting ice cream. Answer is tongue. D. Admiring a beautiful landscape. Answer is eyes. E. Feeling the texture of a soft cloth. The answer is skin. Now let us move on to question number 3 of your textbook. Match the following. So here, against the picture, we have to write the correct option. The first one is braille. Second is skin. The next one is tongue, sign language, and the last one is lifting. Now let us move on to question number 4. Fill in the blanks. A. Heart pumps blood to all parts of our body. B. Our eyes help us to see and recognize things. C. People who suffer from polio use calipers to learn to walk. D. Brain controls all the body functions. E. The air we breathe in goes to our lungs. Now let us move on to question number 5. Write H for activities that we do with our hands, L for activities that we do with our legs, and B for activities that we do using both hands and legs in the box provided. So here we have to mark the actions, mark the activities which are done either with our hands or our legs. So here the first one, the child is writing. So here it will be hands. So please write hands here, that is H. The second one, the girl is playing football. Of course, it will be legs, that is L. In the next activity, if you can see, both hands and legs are used. Hands plus legs are used in dancing. So here we will write as B. Next, the boy is eating. Of course, he is using his hands, for which you are going to write H. And again in the next activity, that is an exercise, the girl is using both her necks, head, hands and legs. So here again we will write B. So now let us move on to the workbook question answers. Tick the correct option. Question number 1. Tick the correct option. It is made of bones and muscles and help in walking. Hands, eyes, feet, nose. The correct answer is fit. B. It helps in seeing all colors around us. Ears, skin, nose, eyes. The correct answer is eyes. C. It has 4 kinds of taste buds. Tongue, skin, hands, feet. The correct answer is tongue. D. People who cannot hear or speak learn this. Lip language, sign reading, lip sign. Correct answer is sign language. E. Braille script is used by people who are blind, deaf, dumb, old. The correct answer is blind. Question number 2. State whether the given statements are true or false. That is, we have to write whether it is true, that is for T, and whether it is false, that is F. A. There are 5 sense organs in our body. True. Our eyes help us to smell flowers. False. The tongue helps us to speak. True. All sense organs work together to complete a task. True. Differently abled people need our pity and sympathy. That is a false, because differently abled people need respect from us. They deserve respect from us. Question 3. Fill in the blanks. A. We use our hands to write, paint, and eat food. B. The legs help us to move from one place to another. C. The sense organs help us to feel and sense the things around us. D. Never poke the eyes or ears with pointed objects. E. People who cannot speak communicate through sign language. Question number 4. Match the following. So here we need to match the options that are given in column A with that of the one with column B. So here in column B I have written 1, 2, 3, 4 so that it will be helpful for us while we match it. So for eyes it is 3, that is C. For ears it is option number 4, that is here. For nose it is option number 5, which is smell. For tongue it is option number 2, taste. And for skin it is option 1, touch. The next page of the workbook. Question number 5. Give one word answer for the following. A. We watch TV with eyes. B. We taste various things with tongue. C. We feel hot or cold through skin. D. After brushing the teeth, we should clean the tongue. E. Dr. Pramod Kumar Shetty invented Jaipur foot. Question number 6. Answer the following questions. A. What are effects of old age? The answer is, old age weakens all the senses. It makes the body weak and frail. Body reactions become slow. Question B. How are words written and read in Braille script? The Braille script has letters with raised dots in a set pattern. People feel the raised letters with their fingers. Question C. Why do some people need artificial limbs? The answer is, if a person loses a limb due to an accident, they are fitted with an artificial limb. Question D. Name some walking aids. Answer is walking stick, wheelchair, crutches. You may also include calipers or artificial limbs here. Question E. Write 3 ways to take care of the sense organs. 1. Never poke sharp objects into your ear. Number 2. Avoid reading inside a moving vehicle. Number 3. Bathe daily to keep your skin clean. Now let us move on to the next question, that is HOTS, higher order thinking skills. Question A. Have you ever met a differently abled person? Discuss in class. This is going to be learner's response. Question B. Have you seen an elderly person wearing a machine in his ear? Do you know what it is? Yes. Hearing aid. The answer is yes. Hearing aid. Question C. What are Paralympics? Paralympics are a major international multi-sport event for athletes with physical disabilities or intellectual impairments. So students, we are done with the question answers. I have already discussed a question answer with you. I hope you will self-evaluate and write the correct responses. The homework for today is write any 2 ways in which you can help your aged grandparents. This homework you are going to do on your EVS classwork copy. So students, with this I am going to end today's class. Hope you all are fine. Take care of yourself, stay safe and healthy. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.